Off to Taganana. Happy days. Look at this for a lovely view, eh? And this is another one of the adventures you're going to go on, which is also a little bit Jurassic Parky from what I am led to believe. Isn't that just stunning? We're here on the 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th. Yeah, we're here on the 22nd of January, and it's currently 22 degrees. Stunningly beautiful, clear blue skies, the canvas of which stunning mountains are painted. It's just the same. You see the way the jaggedy rocks are. You're just waiting for a pterodactyl to appear from the top. Pick your spices by the roadside. What we have here is a pepper tree. Look, you can see the little corns, little buds. Imagine living down there, eh? Little houses on the hillside, and you can see the road winding itself up, which is where we're going to be going. Oh, look at that! Look at that! That's a canny way down there, isn't it? You can see where we've come from, all the way down the bottom, through the twisties, up there, round there. We're going to just look at the view. This is why you're going to come on Motorbike Adventures of Tenerife. We're going to give you memories to last a lifetime. So as you can see again, this is where you're going to be coming up with us. We're going to ride the road all the way through this valley, twisting and turning in amongst stunning landscape, and it twists its way up. Where else in the world can you experience something like this? Come on, let's go! Oh no, I'm just bipping. All right. Let me just quickly take you across. We've just come through the tunnel on the top. And you think you've seen something already. I'm just going to walk to this sign, turn to my left, and just look at that. You can see the road is going to be snaking down. There it goes down there, then there, all the way down to a fabulous village. But just look at that. Oh, I'm lost for words. I am absolutely, I've got tears in my eyes. I'm lost for words. I am absolutely lost for words. Just come and experience this. It's magical. And here we have the other side. You can see the road's going to snake all the way down, but we saw that a little bit further up.